Sigh Like You is a complete full circle between me and my daughter, Lily. She matured into someone that had a very strong love of personal style. That is what became the birth of the site.
So we are going to shoot a Renegade editorial with Chris Garbushian and Laurel Saint Romain. And this is gonna be sort of everything that they've wanted. We have no preparation. We're just gonna kind of go in and have fun and just do our thing and make beautiful pictures. And so they're right here. I'm really excited. So New York, we're gonna like go, pack a suitcase, hit the bus stop, and then into the park.
Yeah,
All right,
almost
cool.
like a fashion adventure.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Stay away, renegade, renegade. Stay away, renegade, renegade. Stay away, renegade, renegade. Stay away, renegade. Got a Swedish play.
Should I wear this? Should I bring this?
Yeah, you should definitely. But what are you gonna wear it with?
I don't know. I don't have anything to wear.
You don't have anything to wear?
This is adorable. Great. This is so good. Okay.
Packed and ready to go.
Let's go. So it's actually a really funny story of how Renegade Editorials came to be. We were having this big argument about, you know, what was trivial about fashion to put on the blog. And we like sort of looked at each other and we were like, well, let's just do it. Like, let's just do it. We have all this stuff. We're gonna go out and buy some tulle. I have a boater's hat and Irene's right here. So we'll just put it on her and we'll shoot it and we'll make it look beautiful. We'll make something out of nothing. And like, that's how Renegade Editorials came. Like, sort of just getting these artists together and doing whatever we want. You know, if we can shoot it, we can do whatever we want. And so, why not just do it and put it up and make it look beautiful and edit it and like, tell this story of something from nothing.
Stay away, renegade, renegade. Stay away, renegade, renegade.
And so now we just go through the closets and think about, you know, who's artistic enough to pull this off with no preparation? Like who can I just show up at their door and pull a shoot together and do it in 3 hours and edit it and have it up the next day and just call it, you know, call it what it is, a Renegade editorial.
Young brigade. Stay away, renegade, renegade.